Fat Squad presentation by the Fitness Athletes team designed for Podar School. Sports has been an integral part of every culture we know of. In today's world, competitive sports are very organized and specialized. At a pro level, every sport requires talent and training. Talent is derived from skill, and training works hand in hand to improve the skill. As individuals practice a particular motor skill, they gradually learn to eliminate extraneous movement and effectively coordinate muscles to act as a single functional unit. Similarly, a child who has not developed full motor unit capacity can be trained to perform a certain activity to his or her optimal ability if trained at the right age. The body is designed to adapt. Just as you cannot unlearn walking, running, or swimming, your brain might forget information, but it will never forget a movement. This is called muscle memory. If running fast, stepping right, correcting flat foots, knocked knees, or bow legged individuals was a part of a curriculum, then imagine the numbers in which you would be dealing to choose the fastest runner. There will be a much higher likelihood to be able to scout the likes of a Milkha Singh out of these, rather than choosing only from the ones who run fast as a natural trait. World class players like Nadal and Cristiano Ronaldo need world class training, with competitive sports reaching unrealistic heights of popularity, wherein world players are ranked by accruing their power and listed by magazines like Forbes. Where there are churches in the name of Maradona, the field of sports has become extremely lucrative and popular. Fat Squad is India's first high end sports performance enhancing service, which ranges from increasing fitness levels and attribute enrichment to player psychology and recruitment. Fat Squad has an individualistic approach which is purely scientific and follows international high end protocols in terms of training and development. All coaches of Fat Squad are highly certified NSCA and ACSM qualified individuals who deal with sports medicine and sciences as their profession. So, who are we? What do we do? And how do we work? We are a team of specialists who understand the demands of different sports and use our extensive knowledge to train and guide athletes with the most advanced training techniques required to create superior athletes. We believe being invincible might come easy to some, but is impossible for none. Internationally followed protocols for training require the right equipment along with immense guidance and a support structure so that athletes can pursue sports at a pro level. Fat Squad has brought together a team of coaches and trainers who have designed specific training programs for different age groups and skill levels for football, basketball, golf, cricket, tennis, and general athletics. A child taught at an early age will have a default stronger structure and skeletal system. They are healthier and can easily outperform someone who's untrained. We start training kids early and ensure they have strong fundamentals such as sprinting, shuffling, skipping, and jumping. Every sport has various aspects of physical attributes that is demanded by a player, like speed, agility, power, and endurance to name a few. The correct training techniques can enhance each of these attributes. This will enable a player to perform at a significantly higher level without getting fatigued, or explode at a given moment, or move into a position which gives him or her an added advantage. Top athletes are made when they are fueled with the right guidance and motivation. Scouting the best possible player with the best physical attributes and then motivating him or her to pursue the sport is indeed an art. A qualified team will handpick the players most likely to perform well in the sports they want to pursue and make a team more likely to perform well. The skill is the player's instinct with the sport and how technically superior his or her understanding of the game is. This is where FAT promises to provide for coaches and trainers who know the game in the most radical way possible. While the conventional training methods have proven serviceable, an upgrade is necessary to take the sport several levels above what was being achieved 20 years ago. Nutrition is the primary growth factor in a child's mental and physical development. Our team of nutrition experts work with doctors and guide young athletes by advising ultimate power foods rich in protein, vitamins, and antioxidants. We all know that sports is not just a physical exercise, it incorporates various emotional and mental aspects as well. Sports is usually emotional, and morale boosting and refined strategies play a tremendous role when it comes to winning and losing. Every sportsman needs to be aligned the right way mentally to be able to perform at his or her best level and increase his chances of success. A lot of sportsmen in schools find it hard to cope with academia and sports at the same time. Our counselors find the perfect balance when neither have to be compromised and help mentally condition a sportsman to devote most of his or her time in the most productive way possible to reap the benefits of both. Training is an indispensable process required for creating superior athletes, so why not train under the best? This is what we do: real training for real athletes. For more information, log on to fattestfit.com. Thank you for watching.